Welcome to the channel, the place where crypto comes to be understood. Sit back, relax, and get ready to learn how to make big gains in the world of cryptocurrency. Okay, first things first, let's talk about one of the most mysterious coins in the cryptoverse. We've got some awesome stuff coming up that you won't want to miss. So make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell. These digital tokens have captured the internet's imagination, and some investors have done exceptionally well by riding the meme wave. While it's impossible to predict the future of any cryptocurrency, Bonk's journey so far shows that it's capable of some pretty impressive moves. Its combination of a playful brand, practical use cases, strategic partnerships, and a strong community has propelled it to new heights. So who knows, maybe a $1 bonk isn't as far-fetched as you think. However, it's essential to remember that cryptocurrency markets are highly volatile and unpredictable. While bonk has shown incredible growth, there's no guarantee that it'll continue to climb at the same pace. It's crucial to conduct thorough research, manage your expectations, and invest responsibly. As bonk continues to make waves in the meme coin space, it'll be exciting to see how it fares against other contenders. Will it maintain its momentum or will it face stiff competition? Only time will tell. But one thing's for sure, bonk has established itself as a force to be reckoned with. Take Shiba Inu, for example. This dog-themed coin was created as a playful spin-off of Dogecoin and has since become one of the most popular cryptocurrencies in the world. Now let's turn our attention to Bonk, a cryptocurrency that's been making waves in the meme coin space. Launched in early 2023, Bonk isn't just another Shiba Inu copycat. It brings a unique twist to the table and has already amassed a devoted following. So, what's the secret behind Bonk's success? First off, Bonk stands out with its distinctive branding. Inspired by the viral Bonk Goes Ape meme, the coin has a playful yet eye-catching aesthetic that resonates with online communities. But Bonk is more than just a pretty face. It has practical use cases. Bonk is the native token of the Bonk blockchain, a Layer 1 solution designed for speed and affordability. This means that bonk isn't just a digital novelty. It's a functional currency used in a growing ecosystem of decentralized applications. Bonk's journey to the top hasn't been a solo venture. It's benefited from a dynamic marketing strategy, including influencer collaborations and strategic partnerships. By aligning itself with prominent figures and projects in the crypto space, Bonk has expanded its reach and cultivated a loyal community of supporters. Moreover, Bonk has tapped into the power of online culture, leveraging memes and viral content to engage its audience and drive organic growth. This approach has paid off big time, turning Bonk into a household name in the crypto world. So if you're interested in joining the Bonk bandwagon, you'll be happy to know that it's easily accessible on popular platforms like Coinbase, KuCoin, and Crypto.com. Once you've got your account set up, simply search for Bonk, select the amount of Bonk you want to buy, and complete the transaction. Easy as ABC. However, it's essential to exercise caution and protect your assets. Keep your bonks safe in a secure wallet like Phantom or MetaMask and be wary of potential threats. Remember, the crypto world is vast and exciting, but it's also full of risks. Staying informed and vigilant is key to navigating this uncharted territory. As Bonk continues to evolve and grow, it's evident that it's more than just a fleeting meme coin. It's a community-driven project with a solid foundation and a clear vision for the future. Whether you're an avid collector of digital assets or a savvy investor looking for the next big thing, Bonk is definitely worth keeping an eye on. As it carves its path in the crypto cosmos, it'll be fascinating to see how Bonk evolves and how high it can climb. So buckle up and join the Bonk revolution. Embrace the fun, quirky nature of this digital asset and be part of a community that celebrates creativity and innovation. Just remember to stay cautious and prioritize security as you navigate the exciting world of cryptocurrency. Trust us, you don't want to miss any of our upcoming videos. You probably know about Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, and other top cryptocurrencies, but have you heard of Aptos? No, don't let the name confuse you. We're not talking about those plushies from kindergarten. This Aptos is a Layer 1 blockchain platform that aims to be a powerhouse for developers to build apps on. Think of it like a digital playground for the next generation of financial tools, marketplaces, and games. Launched in October of 2022, Aptos has quickly become a favorite among crypto insiders. With its cutting-edge tech and sky-high potential, it has gained the nickname the Blue Chip L1 because many believe it could outperform even giants like Ethereum. And guess what? Big names are taking notice. Investors like Andreessen Horowitz and Jump Capital threw massive amounts of cash into Aptos, seeing the incredible potential this platform holds. Now let's dive into the nitty-gritty. What makes Aptos stand out from the crowd? Well, firstly, it's built to handle a blazing fast 1,000 transactions per second. For comparison, Ethereum manages around 30. Secondly, Aptos is a proof-of-stake network, meaning users who hold the native apt token help validate transactions and can earn rewards while doing so. Lastly, its unique consensus model called the Aptos Consensus Algorithm, also known as ACA, ensures the network is safe and secure. In simple terms, this means Aptos is a step ahead in preventing bad actors from causing chaos. Not to mention, it's highly scalable, adaptable, and offers a familiar programming language for developers. Pretty impressive, right? And if you're an investor, here's something to wag your tail about. Aptos has a limited supply of 1 billion tokens with only 50% currently circulating. The rest will be released over time, creating scarcity and potentially increasing value. Speaking of value, Aptos Labs, the company behind the Aptos blockchain, is sitting on a war chest of over $700 million. What's that mean? Simply put, they have a ton of cash to invest in making the platform even better and growing its ecosystem. The team behind Aptos is stacked with over 180 employees, including ex-engineers from giants like Meta, aka Facebook, and Google. Plus, they've got heavy hitters like Tim Cook, the legendary CEO of Apple, and Sam Altman, the visionary founder of OpenAI, backing them. That's a lineup that spells success. Now let's get into how you can get your paws on some Aptos. Right now, the easiest way to buy Aptos is through platforms like FTX and Bitrue. But don't worry, more exchanges are jumping on the bandwagon daily. Once you've got your exchange account set up, simply search for Aptos, choose the amount of apps you want to buy, and complete the transaction. Easy peasy. Then decide where you want to store your Aptos. You can keep it on the exchange, but for added security, consider moving it to a personal wallet like Phantom or MetaMask. Just remember to stay vigilant. Scams are a dime a dozen in crypto. So double-check everything before hitting confirm. To sum it all up, Aptos is a rising star in the crypto world. Its speed, security, scalability, and development-friendly environment make it a force to be reckoned with. Plus, the Aptos team is loaded with big names that know what it takes to lead a project to the top. Whether you're a developer looking to build the next killer app or an investor seeking the next big return, Aptos is definitely a name to watch. So don't sleep on this one. Do your research, stay informed, and get ready to ride the wave. Who knows? In the near future, we might just look back at this moment as the start of something big. And guess what? The party doesn't stop there. Now let's shift gears and dive into the wild world of meme coins. So, what's the verdict? Can Bonk go to $1?